Kasi ang UV, di ba, kapag may panding, it acts like a magnifying lens kapag may araw. And then, tutunawin niya, kukulubot po yung ating acrylic. So, we do not recommend PU acrylic kapag may mga panding kayo, no? So, we would recommend a 100% polyurethane like PU Aqua. This is a 2-part aliphatic. Hindi mo na kailangan mag-top coat dahil non-yellowing naman to. Hyper Black Aqua has good hydrophobic membrane. It can withstand kahit may water panding. Recommended ito sa mga areas na light duty application. Probably you have a family of around 3 to 4 people. Yung small gathering lang, hindi magbabago ang kanyang kulay or even yung mga mechanical and chemical properties niya. Pwede na siyang gamitin at 1 to 1.2 kilograms per square meter. Ang Hyper Black Aqua ay tumatagal ng 5 years. So what you can do here is that using this one pail and then measure 14 square meter because roughly that is around nasa 1 to 1.2 kilograms, 20 kilograms of pail, roughly around 14 square meter. So sukat po tayo ng 14 square meter. Yung pail po na yon dapat maubos nyo po doon. So what you're going to use is a roller, probably around 10 to 15 mm na, and then guide lang yung roller. Huwag po natin gagawin yung rollers, kukuha tayo sa pail and then i-apply. So you pour it over a 14 square meter area and then i-guide lang po ninyo hanggang maubos para ma-achieve po natin yung 1 mm thickness.